they're super thick. Ready? Wonderful. The best. Hi, Mona. The best dish soap ever. Like the greatest. You guys can't hear me? Always canceling thing. Yeah. Let me know if you hear this. Did you guys hear it? They're so weird. I don't understand why they do that. Does anybody else who goes live have a fix for it? Or I'm gonna do a squeeze and let me know if you guys hear it. You hear it now? That's so weird and annoying. Thank you, my loves. And this playlist is random, so I don't know what's about to play other than the song that I picked. You're welcome. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Oh, thank you, Kate. I'm so sick that you guys couldn't hear the first powder bomb. I spelled some of the comment. Always, they're so annoying. First this puzzle, now you're canceling my audio. Like, please. It's like laundry now, comment, and crystals at the bottom. Like, I'm obsessed. I have to get a new sponge from, oh my god, why am I blinking? Spaceship Suds. I can't even see that it says ASMR anymore. Yep, that's this one. This is the green epoxy. He just customized it for me. It just looks super worn. Yeah, I love it. I need to get a new one. I finally got it to break. Yeah, mine is super worn. I think I got it in like July or August though, so it's been through a lot of things at this point. I need to get new long gloves. Mine got a hole in it, but I could have used it right now. Okay. This is so good. I just broke my container. It's Megan in the background for me. Thank you. Was the music too loud or can you guys still hear it? Hear my squeezing sound. What did you say? All right, my loves, I'll be getting off at 8:30. I might go live Saturday to do the other tote. If I do, I will let you know in the morning. What is it that she needs? Yeah, it's like almost my whole hand. It's the cement mixing tub from Home Depot. The big one, because they have two sizes. I got the big one. Thank you. Best clean top purchase that I've made, other than my sponges. Don't get cold, because baby. No, they're like maybe, I think $18, I want to say I paid for it. She on the phone in the middle of the night. The UK. I've never been to Europe. I'd love to go. I just lied. I don't know. I've been to Paris. I forgot. I forgot I went to France. Like, okay. But never been to the UK. It was, in my defense, 11 years ago. So, I forgot. I'm in Philly, Pennsylvania. I loved it, but it was probably a lot different than, you know, like a normal trip, because it was when I was in culinary school, and for your last week, you, like, depending on what program you were in, you took a trip. And for culinary school, the trip was for your associates, it was France. So I was like 19, going to France on my school. They had a full itinerary. It was amazing. I just found another chunk of the blue. There's so much of it. I'm either at the gym reading on Clean Talk or recording or on live for Clean Talk. Any throws of glass fans in here? Because I just finished it. Thank you. What's crazy is like I still have so many liquids next to me. But I'm loving this texture that I'm like, I don't know if I want to add it and make it more liquidy.